During design, the customer asks about a way to ensure that no virtual machine backup data can be deleted from the performance tier. How can this be achieved to ensure that no backup data can be changed or lost? On the scale of backup repositories, use hardened Linux repositories as extents. That makes sense. Then we could have immutability, object log on ReFS. That's not a thing. Ensure only NFS shares are used. We don't have any immutability or hardening for that matter on NFS. Recreate the scalar repositories using object storage for extents. You can only use that for the capacity or archive tiers. So it seems like only option 1 is actually going to work.